Okay, so hi guys, so we're at the TechForce stand, and we've got Reed here, who's going to give us a bit of an overview. So Reed's the CEO of the company, so he's going to just talk through and give us like an explanation, Reed. So Reed, so give us like an overview of TechForce and then a little bit about these robots. So
Sure, absolutely. So TechForce Robotics, we're actually owned by Knight Food Holdings on the OTC, and we are providing robots as a service. So we provide robots that move trash, linens, dirty materials out of your buildings as a service. So there's no, massive upfront cost. You don't have to buy, invest $50,000 or $100,000 into a robot. You just hire us as a service. We implement it. Ends up being a monthly fee. But we have Timmy, our trash robot, which takes out, again, trash and linens. But we also have Bimmy we launched today to the public, which is our beverages. And it actually can serve, let's say you're at a concert or a stadium and everyone breaks for intermission. You have the ability to serve everybody in less than 3 seconds per drink. And it's automated.
Right.
So literally a customer can come up, push a button, and it starts serving drinks. So it's all about speed and efficiency.
Yep.
And we come from the hospitality background. I have 30 years in the hospitality business and about 15 years in tech.
Right.
And really focus on solving real problems.
Yep.
So we can actually make it better for the customer and the business, and everybody wins.
All right. And are you based across like the US, or is this a certain area, or?
Yeah, we focus solely on the United States, but we can go across the entire United States.
Right.
So we have implementations scheduled in the coming months, or coming month, on the East Coast, but then we also have a lot of stuff going on the West Coast, Arizona, Utah. We have one in New Mexico coming up for a school system. So we're really diverse, because when you start looking around, you'll see trash everywhere. And all of a sudden, it's malls, it's hotels, it's parking garages. It's the wildest places, and you see it overflowing all the time.
Yeah.
So we're really, trying to solve that problem.
Right.
Because there's not enough team members, there's not enough focus, and so that's what we step in and do.
Right. And do the robots go like both indoors and outdoors?
Yes, both indoors and outdoors.
Okay.
So if you go to St. Mary's school in Arizona right now, you'll see our robots literally outdoors, running, moving trash. Very unique situation.
Yeah.
And again, we do everything. Our goal is full autonomy.
Right.
I do not want humans to have to actually manage the robots. I want the robots to know when the bin is full and go get it.
Yeah.
I want to be able to free up people's time so they can do more productive things.
Right. And what sort of payloads can the robots take?
We technically go up to 600 pounds. We'll max you out at 400 though.
Okay.
We like to have a variable of safety in there. And the robot is geared to know that. So in the event you try to exceed it, it will say, hey, you're too high. And everything we've done, the way we developed our bases and our bins and all those type of things, which is all done here in the United States.
Right.
The way we do all that is based on limiting your ability to overmax a robot. We want to keep everything safe. And the beauty of it is the robot's always in communication with us with our AI and all of our features. It will reach out to us and let us know before the customer knows that there's a challenge. And our job is to fix that.
Right. So you always have someone on the back end then?
Correct.
Who's always just keeping an eye on the robot fleet, and if something flags up, you go, right, something.
Correct. We have an AI component and we have a human component.
Right.
So, but all on U.S. servers.
Right.
You also have the ability to have your own server. So let's say you're a government agency or a hospital and you have HIPAA compliance that you need to maintain. We could drop a server right in your facility.
Right.
And then from there on out, it's a standalone island, air-gapped, so that you can actually ensure compliance for HIPAA laws and safety, security, and all those type of things right there on site.
Right. Perfect. Yeah, I think that's a great overview. So thank you, Reed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.